Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today I'm going to teach you how to do single stroke vertical small lettering. For this one, we are going to draw 4 lines. Between each line, the distance will be 5 mm. So we'll start. We'll measure 5 mm. Always remember to use thin lines when drawing these guidelines. So in this small lettering, I'm not going to measure the width because always letter N will be smaller than letter M, and in height, letter A will always be smaller than letter B. So small letters, they have their discrepancies. It's not like the capital letters that all of them have the same height and width. In this one, some letters will always be bigger than some, and others will always be smaller than some. So I won't measure the width, only the height, which is 555 millimeter. So since we are doing vertical lettering, the angles have to be 90 degrees. So we can draw lines of 90 degrees to guide us when drawing the letters or when writing the letters. So since there are 26 letters, we'll draw 26 perpendicular lines. So we'll start from here. 1, 2, 3. So we'll start with the first letter A. So we'll use this guideline. Letter A. Then letter B. Letter B. Then letter C. Then letter D. Then letter E. Then letter F. Then letter G. Then letter H. Then letter I. Then letter J. Then letter K. Then letter L. Then letter M. Then letter N. You see what I was saying? Letter N is always going to be half of letter M. That's why I didn't assign a width to them, only height. Even in the height, some letters are still taller than others, like A and B. The height of B is like twice the height of A. So there's no need to assign width when doing small lettering. You can only assign it in capital letter. So then letter O, then letter P, then letter Q, then letter R, then letter S, then letter T, then letter U, then letter V, then letter W, then letter X, then letter Y, and finally letter Z. So these lines I took, they are just 90 degrees guidelines to guide me on the vertical lettering. Not They are not the center lines because you will see like in S here. It's not the center I drew. This R, I didn't draw it using the center line. So this is not the center line. These are just 90 degrees guidelines. Try to guide me when drawing. So I'll draw it at 90 degrees exact. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email within the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.